Say goodbye to acne for good. Board-certified dermatologist Dr. Tess Mauricio of M Beauty Clinic is here to introduce us to this is really game-changing treatment that can smooth your skin. Doctor, good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about this. A lot of adults have acne. You think, well, you know, when you're a teenager is when you get it, but then as adults, why do adults still get acne?
Well, a lot of it is, combination of genetics, then there's hormones, and then there's stress. About 40 million people in the United States suffer from acne, and many of them are adults. And, as a dermatologist, obviously, this is one of the main reasons patients come to see us. They've been through antibiotics, topicals, all of the products, and they're still breaking out, especially adult women. It's embarrassing. It's okay when you're a teenager, but when you're in your 30s and 40s and older, it's depressing.
We're talking about a special treatment. Let's kind of talk me through what we're about to see and explain this. There's like a big machine here.
Yes,
so what does this do?
We're so excited. This is the Tri-Beam. We call it the eraser laser because it really does erase, and it's offering our patients who've done everything else for acne a new solution. And what Al has here is we've applied carbon lotion on her skin already. That's why it's darker. And this machine specifically is targeting pigment. And it's a 1064 Q-switch laser, and it's working through nanoseconds. So it's the latest technology. And so the carbon lotion is going to be absorbed down to her pores, down to the oil glands, and then we're going to activate and then turn on the laser. And the laser is going to actually preferentially look for the pigment under the skin, and it's going to heat.
Oh, wow.
And that sound
that kind of jerked back a little bit. Does it hurt? Is it kind of...
No, it's because of the sound.
Yes.
It doesn't hurt at all.
and the sound, you can see that we're actually erasing the carbon lotion there. And what that is doing right now, the sound that you're hearing is that the skin reaction is actually breaking the sound barrier. It's that amazing impact. And so it's heating the skin, it's killing the bacteria, shrinking your oil glands, shrinking the pores, and it's also removing about 100 microns of the skin. So you're also treating the skin surface, acne scars, so the skin becomes nicer, smoother. It's a fantastic, amazing, game-changing treatment.
Yeah, so this is new technology. How often? Is this something like it's one treatment? Do you have to do several treatments? Is it ongoing?
It totally really depends on the patient's case. With Al, actually, how many treatments have you had, Al?
3.
3, and she said that, she really doesn't even break out that much anymore. And it's totally painless. We do put a little bit of numbing cream, but it's really painless. And there is absolutely no downtime, which is amazing. And for adult patients who are suffering, can't take any time off of work, this is a perfect treatment.
Okay, so I know you mentioned that the pain. It was just the sound that kind of alarmed her a little bit. So there's no pain in terms of downtime. I mean, is there any downtime? You just go in and
there's no downtime. You actually focus in, and their skin where the carbon is removed is, it's totally normal. Actually, she'll appreciate that her skin feels smoother. Her makeup's going to go on better, and in a few days, she'll notice it's less oily and. Maybe she's not going to break out. And so it's really an amazing procedure. It is offering hope. And so if you have acne out there, this is something to try.
And then the cool part is, then you look kind of like you're in Braveheart in the process. You look kind of cool. You take a cool picture of it. Okay, so you said this is your 3rd time. So kind of talk me through the first 2 times and the results there and why you're doing it again. And I guess afterwards how you feel, because you said, it's emotional. And so how do you feel after all the treatments?
I feel really good because I think this is one of the many treatments that I've received from Dr. Tess. All the other ones were really great too, but this one is probably like the best because the other ones I've had like minimal breakouts here and there. But after the 2nd one, I actually wasn't receiving any more breakouts.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's a lot to say.
And as a doctor, when you see this kind of technology come out, I mean, is it a matter of, boy, this just makes my job that much easier and I can offer this to patients?
Absolutely. I mean, we are the first in California to offer this Tri-Beam laser to patients. First, also one of the first in the United States. So we're very excited, and I'm excited to pioneer a technology that works because a lot of my patients really come looking for solutions. I want to help them, and we finally now have a technology that can take patients who feel like they're hopeless, and there's new hope for them.
I mean, does insurance cover this? Do you call? How does that work?
Well, insurance usually doesn't cover laser procedures for anything because they'll argue that it's cosmetic. Although the psychological impact of acne is very underestimated.
I'll tell you what, I mean, this is fascinating. Can we do a little more while I tell you?
Yeah.
I kind of like the way it sounds. It kind of like takes the...
It's pretty
the carbon off? Okay, we'll put the glasses back on.
It's very cool. And, you know, even guys love this.
Yeah?
And, you know, you can treat men as well. You can treat teenagers. They're not scared. Actually, the young teenagers think this is so cool because it's so super high-tech.
Okay, we want to let everybody know. M Beauty Clinic by Dr. Tess Mauricio. Locations in Mira Mesa, Del Mar, and National City. Go check her out and ask about this. What's the name of this machine again?
This is the Tri-Beam Eraser Laser.
The Tri-Beam Eraser Laser. By the way, all the information on this is linked on our website, fox5sandiego.com. Click the Scene On tab. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, and this is also good. The same machine is good if you have discoloration.
Outstanding.
Melasma, and even tattoos.
This is fascinating technology. Thank you, Doctor.
Amazing.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, Raul.